Discord's new Orbs feature is finally here and I am going to tell you everything about it. So let's get started. So what is Orbs? Orbs is a type of Discord currency which you can use for decorating your Discord profile or upgrading your Discord profile so that other members can see your maintained profile, and this pretty much gives your profile a makeover. So how to get them? Getting Discord Orbs is very easy. Just click on this discover button. When you click on this, click on go to quest home, and here you can find Discord Orbs. There is so much quest going on Discord. So once you complete this quests you will get Discord orbs, and once you get these Discord orbs you can use them on the shop like I did. You can see I have 3870 orbs. I can use them in the shop. So yes, you can get this angry animation like so for 7 days. You can see you can rent it for 300 orbs. So yes, if we summarize this, so this is basically Discord currency which is used in Discord shop to purchase elements for your profile. So yes, this was it for today's video. If this guide was helpful for you, so please consider subscribing, leave a like, comment, and thanks for watching.